my 13th week of options trading on Webull mobile platform. I see 2 red candles on Apple. This week I realized when I buy an option contract I should set my limit price. This is your discount rate and prevents me from buying retail or full price. I did this on Apple. I bought a put on Apple after seeing 2 red candles in the chart. The strike price was $150 and this cost me $220. I didn't immediately place a stop loss as Apple ran back up, so I remained patient. It took a long while before Apple came down to a comfortable level where I can set my stop loss. Initially I set up a stop loss at $2.38, later I modified this option contract to be higher when company creeps higher. Essentially, Webull sold my one contract of Apple for $255. I made $25 or 11.36% from this deal. Winning with IWM all day. It looks as if the ticker symbol IWM was going down. I bought a put on IWM at the strike price of $165. This cost me $50. I make sure to set my limit price to be lower, this is your chance for a discount. Wait a few minutes and if you don't get your new contract either cancel it as the option might be turning the other way. I set up a limit sale by accident as Webull sold IWM for $74. I made a quick $24 or 46% from this deal. I rebought 2 put option contracts on IWM at the strike price of $164. It was $40 a piece or $80 total. I sold the first contract for $77 and the second at $68. I made $65 or 81.25%. My net total from IWM was $89 or 68.46%. Another bite of Apple. Based on the chart and indicators, it looks as if Apple or ticker symbol AAPL was going down. I bought another put on Apple at the strike price of $150. This cost me $250. Essentially, it hit my stop loss at $2.75 and Webull sold my one contract of Apple for $275. I made another quick $25 or 10% from this deal. I made $425.14, up $148.38 or 53.61% from last week or yesterday. Today was a good day of trading. It's not Halloween yet but Google tricked me. Based on the chart and indicators, it looks as if Google or ticker symbol GOOG was going up. I bought 2 call contracts on Google at the strike price of $101. This cost me $135 each or $270 total. I set up a stop loss at 1.20 to get out this deal. Essentially, Webull sold my 2 contracts of Google for $240. I lost $30 or 11.11% from this deal. Not a great start to the day, winning with IWM again. It looks as if the ticker symbol IWM was going down. I bought 2 puts on IWM at the strike price of $166. This cost me $340 total. Initially I set up a stop loss and sold one at $192. I made $22 or 12.94%. I rebought an extra contract at $1.50 to bring my average down. Essentially I had to stay patient as IWM went up again. Finally, Webull sold my remaining 2 contracts of IWM at my limit price of $210. I made an extra $100 or 31.25% from this deal. I netted $122 from IWM. Here are my final buys and sales order. I ended the day with $516.59, up $91.44 or 21.51%. I went all in on IWM. From the opening of the market, SPY was going down so IWM was going down. I set a limit order of $1 for 5 put contracts at the strike price of $165. It would cost me $500. I waited a while before I cancelled this order only to set a limit order for 8 puts at 60 cents and the strike price at $164. This time it would cost $480. I cancelled both orders to bet all in on IWM. First, I bought 4 puts at 25 cents. This cost me $100. I continue to average down by getting more contracts at cheaper prices. There was a chance for me to break even at about 18 cents with 10 contracts, but I continue to average down on IWM. A good indicator that the market was going to collapse was to look at Apple. Apple was going down, only this time the SPY was heading up. I was perplexed but kept averaging down. Ultimately, I lost everything because of this news catalyst. Stocks advance after UK bond rescue. I didn't discover this news article until later. Oh well, back to the drawing board. The market corrected itself today. It was red this morning, and what should have happened yesterday with the SPY came true today. I was a day too early with my investments. Now I'm back with paper trading. I mimicked yesterday's trade on IWM by buying 5 puts at the strike price of $160. This cost me $69 each, or $345 total. I continue to average down where I have 50 contracts of IWM. Looks like I'll hold IWM overnight as it is going back up over 166. Hopefully I can turn a profit for tomorrow. Paper trading Apple is fun. It looks as if Apple, or ticker symbol AAPL, was going down. Initially, I bought 20 puts on Apple at the strike price of $142. This cost me $2,980. I was averaging down by buying 5 more contracts of Apple. My average price of Apple was $145 per contract. I was happy to see that Apple was trending down. Later I set up a limit order for Apple at $2 and stepped away to go to physical therapy. Essentially, Webull sold my 25 contracts of Apple for $200 each. I made $5,000 or 67.77% from this deal. It is fun to be paper trading and make big profits. How to get approval for level 2 of option trading on Moo Moo? First, go to any stock of your choice. I went with Apple. On the tab up above, scroll until you see options are on the upper right corner, or click on the 3 rows and select options. In my case, I bought one Apple put at 0.80. The screen will pop up saying insufficient option level. Feel free to read the message but press upgrade. These are the upgrade levels and I choose level 2 to confirm. I went through this application several times, and if not approved then you'll get this update failed message. This application works for me, so feel free to copy and paste my answer. You can pause this video to extrapolate my answer. Once you are complete, go to next and click on yes to modify your answer. Finally, you should see the submit successfully message from Moo Moo. Check your email and wait for 1 to 2 days before trading options. Good luck! Be smart, trade with the chart, this will grow a big heart, that'll allows you giving to the world to start.